Hey everyone, my name is János, and as Mary mentioned, how are you today? This is how you look like when you're fine? Come on, something like that. You good? Good, I'm also good. To be honest, I have to come up with a new opening speech because I designed my speech, but this is didn't design for Ildiko's speech, and she stole most of my thinking. But it's all fine. Welcome to the future. You know, it may sound a funny statement from a guy standing in a Budapest room with 100 people, no AR, no VR, no Sophia the robot. But I truly believe that the future will still be about us, humans and people. It will be about how we interact with each other, how we create value for each other, and how we create value for our customers. Technology is a must, but it's us that we use technology to create value. Now you may this is like really far-fetched, and you're wondering like, what is this guy talking about? A design conference in Budapest? Just came here to talk about Revolut and hear Revolut and have my goddamn coffee. But this is really important because in the financial services industry, will be about people and how we learn to work with each other, business guys, IT guys, testers, coders, people in the branches. It will be about how we learn to work with each other, how we learn to create value for our customers, how we understand them, and how we solve their real problems. For us, design means how things work, how you define how your things work. It can be about how an organization works, how I work daily with my colleagues, and how we create services for our customers. We believe that in the future we see it, design is one of the toolkits, and design thinking is one of the toolkits that's really important and crucial. It will enable us to break down silos. It will enable us to understand our customers better and work with our colleagues in a much more meaningful way, and we can create value using digital technologies and analog technologies. I designed my opening speech not to be really boring in the early morning, but I have one last thought before I leave the stage. The biggest challenge we had in MKB when we tried to introduce design into the way things work inside MKB with 2 or 3 people was that it was really hard to cope with impatience. We were really, really impatient, and what we had to learn is how we become more patient and have more empathy to our colleagues inside the design team, inside the organization, not just towards our customers. One of the things we learned is that if you involve your colleagues as much and as early in the process as you can, then they will join you. They understand what you do, they understand why you do and why you say what you do, they join you and they follow you. So this is my key takeaway from one last year. It's going to be a really insightful day, full of amazing presentations, full of insightful workshops, and my big bet is that you will leave energized, motivated, and inspired to change your organization starting tomorrow. Good luck and have fun.